In 2020, change was thrust upon us all.
Worldwide this morning, growing concern over a growing health crisis.
One of the biggest music festivals in the state has been postponed due to concerns over the coronavirus.
My administration is recommending that all Americans, including the young and healthy, work to engage in schooling from home when possible, avoid gathering in groups of more than 10 people, avoid discretionary travel, and avoid eating and drinking at bars, restaurants, and public food courts.
In 2021, I'm taking my life back.
If you like what you see, come and get it with me. I know you deserve all you want.
They say you only live once, but this is a lie. You die once. You live every day. Perfection is the enemy of progress. If you're waiting for that perfect moment to make a change in your life, it will never come. You'll always be stuck in the same old rut. Don't let perfection get in the way of progress. I'm claiming vision for my life. I'm dismissing what society says you should do, and I'm going against the grain, and it feels great. Go to school, graduate college, get married, buy a house, have kids, retire, travel, and enjoy the fruits of your labor. I'm doing life on my terms, to see, to feel, to experience. The big cities, the small towns, the landscape, the things you read about in textbooks, the funny. Subscribe and follow me as I claim the vision for my life as I travel in my Super CRV and hopefully inspire you to claim the vision for yours. It's time to claim the vision.